Hey babes, it's David here, and I'm with the stunning Rainey.
Hey guys.
And we are going to talk to you about BUXOM Serial Kisser Plumping Lip Stain, which has BUXOM's signature cooling tingle and plumping power, and it has a hydrating serum texture that stays put. Comes in 8 kissable shades from cherry and berry to mauve and nude. The applicator has a precision teardrop tip to define the lips, while the larger size base makes it so easy to fill in the entire lip. Start by applying at the Cupid's bow, creating an X formation before filling in the entire lip from corner to corner. And what Rainey is feeling right now is BUXOM's cooling tingle. Can you feel that, Rainey?
Yes, I can.
I know, it's like highly addictive, but also it has hyaluronic acid in it, as well as peptides, so it creates this glossy, plumped color. All right, Rainey, check it out.
Wow, this color is amazing on my skin.
It looks so beautiful on you, and how does it feel on your lips?
It feels really hydrating.
Yeah.
It's absolutely perfect.
Well, that's because it has all those great for you ingredients, and that stays put. It gives you glossy plump color, and that is Serial Kisser Plumping Lip Stain.